Are you tired of counting calories and feeling deprived on your weight loss journey? Have you heard of the one meal a day, OMAD, diet trend and wondered if it's worth a try? Well, wonder no more. In this video, we'll dive into the results of a 30-day OMAD experiment and explore the benefits and challenges of this approach. So, buckle up and get ready to discover what happens when you eat one meal a day for a month. So, don't waste time and subscribe to the channel. Turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos here on the channel, and just a little spoiler. Watch until the end because at the end of the video, I'll leave a surprise for you. Development: our 30-day OMAD experiment was not for the faint of heart. We decided to consume only one full, nutritious meal a day, typically at dinner time. That meant skipping breakfast and lunch and concentrating all of our daily calorie intake into one single meal. Surprising results. To our surprise, the results of this experiment were overwhelmingly positive. Within just a few days, we noticed a significant drop in our weight and an increased sense of energy and focus throughout the day. Our digestion also improved, and we slept like a baby every night. On top of that, having one big, satisfying meal at the end of the day made us feel more in control and less likely to give in to cravings and snacking. Challenges: of course, eating one meal a day is not without its challenges. It requires discipline, planning, and a strong will to stick with it. The biggest challenge we faced was fighting off hunger pangs and temptations throughout the day. But, with a little bit of willpower and a healthy meal waiting for us at the end of the day, we were able to stay on track. What we concluded was that eating one meal a day may seem intimidating, but the results can be life-changing. Whether you're looking to lose weight, improve your health, or simply simplify your lifestyle, OMAD could be the solution you've been searching for. But, as with any significant change to your diet, it's important to consult a healthcare professional before trying it out. And remember, every body is different, so listen to your own and do what works best for you. And now the surprise I promised you. I hope you enjoyed the video. The surprise is just below the description. Everything is explained about the ebook that will help you by also leaving the link to it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all our latest weight loss tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. See you soon.